Hi, Wise Thoughts. Cheers, Mercy, Diana.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, wait, left hand. Left hand.
We didn't learn well.
Sweetheart. Well, speaking of not learning well, it's always a process. Learning to do the right thing and think the right way because, and that's why we're here to remind each other. And I kind of gave myself a reminder this morning. I found this adorable saying and I shared it on our Facebook page for the Wise Thoughts. And let me read it to you because it's so cute. It says, OMG, I'm rich. Silver in the hair, gold in the teeth, crystals in the kidneys, sugar in the blood, lead in the butt, iron in the arteries, and an inexhaustible supply of natural gas. I never thought like this much wealth. Isn't that great?
That's really
and
funny.
I thought it was, it was a cute thing and it was funny, but it really made me start thinking about how we think about things and finding the silver lining, making lemons into lemonade, and reminding ourselves to do it because then I started thinking about the past week and I can think of at least 5 different times that something challenging happened in my life and I let it take over. I let it make me sad, make me angry, upset. And then I talked about it, and the more I talked about it, the more angry and sad and upset. Even this morning, I woke up from a horrible nightmare about my dog, about Divot. And I'll tell you what it was. This is so bizarre. I woke up from this dream, and I was sobbing because we were at some house. It wasn't this house, but we were there with all of our dogs. And I couldn't find Divot that next morning, and I went looking around this house, and I went way back to this back room, and I opened up this door, and it was this dark, nasty, like weeds growing in this room, and really bad. And here comes Divot, and her back leg was missing. The other leg was nearly. Some animal in there had attacked her in the night, and I was sobbing, and I was crying, and I was so upset. And when I woke up and I started thinking about it, and I knew she was fine, and I thought, you know what? This is what's going on in my head. I had to decipher my own dream. I think I was feeling like I was neglecting Divot because of the new puppy. And so instead of, wallowing in how dark and weird and bizarre that dream was, really what it was is it's a positive wake up that I have 2 other wonderful pets and I got to make sure and devote just as much attention to them, which I have all morning. Divot's been getting pampered all morning.
Good.
So, but it's how, you can just be going along and just the weirdest thing it's so easy to jump on the negative instead of trying to turn it into something good and positive, which is my OMG, I'm rich reminder. So, it happens to all of us, and that's why we really count on each other to remind us of these things. So
that's right.
Hopefully week is going to be much better.
Good. I hope so too. In fact, I'd toast
I think it already is.
Silver in all of your hair.
I cover that up with a
Mine's
lock.
gold, baby.